Looking for something classic with a twist of modern? Meet the all-new vintage electric car from Skyrider Electric. Perfect for campuses, hotels, resorts, or wherever you want to add a little charm. Our vintage car gives you that classic look with the convenience of today's technology. It's got a top speed of 25 km per hour. Just the right pace for a relaxed drive around your favorite places. With a lead-acid battery that takes just 8 hours to charge, you'll be ready for the next adventure, whether it's a quick cruise or a scenic tour. And don't worry, we've got you covered with our quick service facility to keep you moving smoothly. So, if you want to bring a touch of the past into the present, with all the comfort and style you need, the Skyrider vintage car is here for you. Get ready to turn heads. Reach out to us today.